What's up guys, Shavar here, back with another awesome new video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can create a new page for your website or funnel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the post notification bell to be the first to know when I release a new video. Like that being said, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm in the builder and I'm also on the Quack builder homepage. So as you can see, everything is built exactly in Quack builder. Everything that on our website built with quackbuilder.com. Okay guys, so um, this video is about how you can create your pages for your website or funnel and modify it exactly the way you want it. Okay guys, so like that being said guys, I'm in the builder. Okay, so this is gonna be your website, your main website, such as your home page of your website. It doesn't matter where you are onto your website. All you need to do to create a page is to come over here to the left icon that say page. You just want to click that, and as you can see at the top it say add a new. Okay guys, you can add a new page or you can add a new pop-ups. Okay, but if I click if I want to add a new page, I just need to click this button right here at the top that said add new, and as you can see I can add page, I can add pop-up, I can add page group. Okay, but we just gonna stick to page for this video. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna click page, and as you can see it populate a lot of pages um, theme, a pages theme that I can choose and modify. Okay, just go through them. You can preview them just to make sure um, you need this particular page before you choose it. Okay, so that's the whole reason why you can preview it before you actually select it. Okay, but I'm just gonna close this. I'm just gonna keep scrolling through, and what basically can help you to choose your pages guys, if you know exactly what kind of page you want to make. Okay, so why I said that, because at the side over here it's like help you to filter the pages. Okay, so if I need a webinar page, if I click webinar, as you can see it populate up a lot of webinar kind of page for me to choose from. So if I need a checkout page, I could check out, and as you can see there's a lot of checkout pages I can use. Okay, so before you created a new page guys, make sure that you know exactly what kind of page you want to build or you want to make or you need it. Okay, um, and please keep in mind you still can preview all the pages before you actually choose them. Okay guys, so it's basically, it's really simple, and it's, you know, it's really um, easy to use to customize your pages. Okay, I'm just gonna close that, and I'm just gonna say okay, I am thinking about to created a contact page. So basically, if I want to create a contact page, all I have to do is go to contact, and as you can see, there are a lot of different contact pages to choose from. Okay, guys, I like this one right here, so I'm just gonna say not that one, but this one. So I'm just gonna say okay, preview first to make sure that I actually need this one, and then I'm gonna say okay, I need it. So I'm gonna say select this one, and I'm gonna name it contact contact 12. Okay, I'm just gonna name it that because I already have a contact us page. I just needed to use this page as a demonstration. Okay, and of course I'm just gonna click add and let that load, and then I'm just gonna click off of it, and as you can see, this is my contact page, and of course I can modify it exactly the way I want it. So instead of write me, I can say, oops, I can say contact us, and I can say I'm just gonna put a load thing right there. Yeah, and basically I can just click save, so I save the progress that I'm making. And please keep in mind guys, you can modify, you can change, you can delete whatever you like. Okay guys, like this number box right here, if I don't need a number on my contact us page, I can just remove that, or I can just remove the whole entire block as like this. And it's not a big deal guys, we can always, um, add stuff and remove stuff. Okay guys, you don't need this image, you can basically take that image away if you don't need it. Okay guys, it's just uh, it's all depend on what you wanted. Okay guys, so let me see some, I'm just gonna just put any a kind of image. um, I'm just gonna put an image in there just to show you guys that I can change everything. As you can see, I just changed that image that was there, and now that image is there, and I can even put colors, and oops, I can even put colors on the background, can change the background color, can do whatever I want to do with this page. You can see it's right there. I'm just gonna you know give me a little bit more space to work, so I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit, as you can see right there, and I'm gonna pull this up a little, and I'm just gonna pull that down a little bit, so it's basically in the middle, and it have a nice space to work with. Okay, um, and it doesn't have to be the contacts doesn't have to be all the way here. You can modify exactly the way you want it. So say for instance, if I don't need it to be here, I can just pull it at all the way up at the top. But first I'm just gonna add a new container in, and basically what the container does, it separate the blocks. Okay, um, so I'm just gonna remove I'm just gonna copy it and save it, then I'm just gonna remove this, and then I'm just gonna copy this one as well and remove it. So only thing is there is the farm for them to to full out, okay? And up here now, guys, I'm just gonna everything I copy it come into this this is what save it for us, okay? So the headline that I did have before that say contact us, I'm just gonna drop it in the new container, and I'm just gonna double click so it highlight everything, and I'm just gonna center it, okay? So it's into the center, and then I'm just gonna click on this again, and the headline, I'm just gonna take the text, not the headline, the text that was underneath this one, and I'm just gonna put this in the middle again, and instead of being 18, I can, I can fully customize whatever I wanted. I can, I can put it exactly, I can customize it exactly the way I want it. And what if I don't just need it to be like a contact us with a background, so I can basically be like, okay, you know what, I really don't like the white, so I'm just gonna change it, and I'm just gonna uh, add an image, okay, guys? So I'm just gonna be like, I'm just gonna look for an image that I can use. Um, those are weight loss image, and I'm just gonna use this one for demonstration purposes, and I'm just gonna make it parallel. So when I scroll, it kind of makes some effects to it. Okay, guys, and I'm just gonna drag this down just a little bit more so I have more space to work with there, and I'm gonna eliminate some of this space back again. Yeah, and I'm just gonna click save, and I'm gonna change the color of these, okay? um, the bottom is blue, so I'm just gonna put the color at blue too, so it correspond with the color down there, so you can see it more better. And I'm just gonna do the same thing with this one. um, Oops, this one I'm not seeing it too um, well because of the background. So I probably see if white works. White works better. Let me see black. Let me see if black more better with that color down there. Yeah, black it work better, but I'm just gonna put it in a better color than black. Um, what do you think about if I put it in a darker blue like this one? Not that bad. And I also can say, okay, I'm just gonna add an overlay to it so it's a little bit dark so the text stand out a little bit, okay? And please keep in mind that you can play with the color, play with the brightness, so you can you know adjust the brightness of it. And I'm just gonna click save, and there we go, guys. We have a contact us page that I customize in minutes. Okay, guys. So basically, you can do whatever you like with this Quack Builder, website builder. Um, there is nothing that too complicated with the builder. Anything you imagine, you can build it very easily, okay? And I'm just gonna preview this page. So if I click on that high, and then I say view in another tab, and then it's gonna come up as this, just the way customer would see it. And if, as you can see, if I scroll, it kind of have the parallel in the background of the image, which is really good and it's really nice. I like to see that kind of effect on on website. So basically it make it look more professional. Okay, guys, As you can see, you have a form, a contact us form right there, and basically any customer come here, they can contact us um, by filling out this form. Okay, but what if I don't like that blue color? What if white is better? Okay, all you have to do, just go back to the builder, go back to the block, the whole entire block, click that, and then you say, okay, I need it in white. You know what I mean? And then when you put it in white, save, then you go back and refresh the browser, it's gonna be in white. And as you can see, there is your contact form. Okay, it's right there. Very nice, very easy to do. If you want to change your image, you can also do that, no problem at all. You can change your picture to whatever you like. So for instance, this picture right here is pointing on the right kind of. So if I put that there, background is not too good, but if I put that there, it's kind of, you know, yeah, it kind of, work as it's saying, you should fill this form out right there. So yes, guys, that's the way how you created a page and modify it, customize it the way you like. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video, guys. We trying to help as much people as we can to get online, so please share this video. Please comment, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what kind of video you want me to make next, and I will definitely do so. Like that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.